He got away with murder for 30 years, 10 victims, hundreds of taunting letters to police. Then, in 1991, he just vanished. The BTK Killer went silent for 13 years. Police thought he was dead, or in prison, or had simply stopped. Then in 2004, his ego couldn't take it anymore. A newspaper ran a story, BTK Case Unsolved, 30 years later. He read that article and thought, they forgot about me. So he started sending letters again, packages, evidence, drawings. He wanted the attention, the recognition, the fear. But police were smarter this time. In January 2005, BTK sent them a question. Can you trace a floppy disk back to me? Police responded through a newspaper ad. No, Rex, it will be okay. They lied. He believed them. He sent the disk. Computer forensics expert Randy Stone examined it. Within minutes, he found deleted metadata. The disk had been used at Christ Lutheran Church, last accessed by someone named Dennis. A quick Google search. President of Christ Lutheran Church, Dennis Rader. Compliance officer, church leader, family man, BTK. His daughter's DNA confirmed it. After 30 years, the one thing that caught him wasn't brilliant detective work. It was his own ego and his trust in a lie. He asked if they could trace the disk. They said no. He believed them. And that ended everything. Full story in our documentary. Link in bio.